Let's take a look at moving an item from one module content area to another. So if I scroll down, you'll see I have a Unit 2 item which I want to move to the Unit 2 module area. So I'm going to start off by switching on my edit mode. Scroll all the way down. Click the gray drop down arrow, select move. Then in the destination folder, I'm going to select module 2 because that's where I want to move Unit 2 item to. So I'm going to hit submit. If I scroll back down, you'll see that item is no longer available in Unit 3. It says here the item has been moved successfully. Let me double check. I'm going to click on module 2, scroll down, and as you can see here, the Unit 2 item for module 3 has been moved here.